Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's break down community guidelines and privacy policies, why they're crucial, how they differ, and then look at practical implementation considerations, including some code examples, although code for these is mostly focused on enforcement, not on the policies themselves. Understanding the foundation, community guidelines versus privacy policy. It's easy to confuse these two, but they serve distinct purposes. Community guidelines, terms of service / acceptable use policy. Focus define the rules of conduct and acceptable behavior within your platform or community. They set expectations for how users should interact with each other and the content they create. Purpose to foster a positive, respectful, and safe environment. To protect the integrity of your platform. To prevent abuse, harassment, spam, and other harmful activities. Audience primarily addressed to users of your platform. Content examples. Prohibitions against hate speech, discrimination, and harassment. Rules about posting spam or misleading content. Guidelines on respecting intellectual property rights. Requirements for account security. Consequences for violating the guidelines, warnings, account suspension, bans. Legality. These are legally binding agreements, usually as part of terms of service, when a user agrees to them upon creating an account or using the platform. Enforcement. Requires a robust system for monitoring content, reporting violations, and taking action. This often involves a combination of automated tools and human moderators. Privacy policy. Focus. Explains how your platform collects, uses, stores, and protects users' personal data. Purpose. To be transparent with users about their data and to comply with relevant data privacy laws, like GDPR, CCPA, etc. To build trust with users. Audience. Addressed to users and potential users of your platform. Content examples. What types of data are collected, example name, email, IP address, browsing history, location data, content posted. How the data is used, example to personalize the user experience, to provide support, to serve ads, to improve the platform. Whether the data is shared with third parties, example advertisers, analytics providers, law enforcement. How the data is stored and secured. Users' rights regarding their data, example access, correction, deletion, portability. Contact information for privacy inquiries. Legality. Strictly legally required in most jurisdictions. Non-compliance can result in significant fines and legal action. Enforcement. Requires adherence to the stated data practices and a system for responding to user requests related to their data. 2. Key differences summarized. Feature community guidelines, terms of service, privacy policy. Main focus user behavior and acceptable content data collection, use, and protection. Purpose create a safe and positive environment, be transparent and comply with laws. Audience users and potential users. Legal status legally binding agreement upon acceptance legally required document. 3. Crafting effective community guidelines. Here's a breakdown of what makes for strong community guidelines. 1. Clarity and simplicity. Use clear, concise language that is easy for all users to understand. Avoid legal jargon. Write in plain language, not legalese. 2. Comprehensive coverage address a wide range of potential issues, including hate speech and discrimination explicitly prohibit content that attacks individuals or groups based on race, ethnicity, religion, gender, sexual orientation, disability, etc. Harassment and bullying outline what constitutes harassment and bullying, and make it clear that such behavior will not be tolerated. Spam and deceptive practices prohibit the posting of spam, misleading content, and other forms of deceptive behavior. Intellectual property infringement explain the rules regarding copyright and other intellectual property rights. Illegal activities prohibit the promotion or facilitation of illegal activities. Violence and threats explicitly prohibit threats of violence or content that promotes violence. Sensitive content define guidelines for displaying sensitive content like violence, gore or pornography. 3. Positive tone while stating prohibitions, also emphasize the values you want to promote in your community, example respect, kindness, creativity, collaboration. 4. Enforcement procedures clearly describe the consequences for violating the guidelines, warnings, account suspension, bans, and the process for reporting violations. Explain how violations will be investigated. 5. Accessibility make the guidelines easily accessible on your platform, example link to them from the homepage, account settings, and registration page. 6. Regular review and updates community guidelines should be reviewed and updated regularly to reflect changes in the platform, community, and legal landscape. 7. Community input consider soliciting input from your community when developing or updating the guidelines. This can help ensure that the guidelines are relevant and reflective of the community's values. 8. Examples provide concrete examples of acceptable and unacceptable behavior. This helps users understand the guidelines more clearly. Example community guidelines snippet, simplified. 4. Crafting an effective privacy policy. A privacy policy is legally required in most jurisdictions. It's crucial to have it reviewed by a legal professional to ensure compliance with all applicable laws, example GDPR, CCPA. 1. Transparency be clear and transparent about what data you collect, how you use it, and who you share it with. Use plain language that is easy for users to understand. 2. Completeness cover all aspects of your data practices, including types of data collected specify all categories of personal data you collect, example name, email address, IP address, location data, browsing history, cookies, device information. Methods of data collection explain how you collect data, example directly from users, through cookies, through third-party services. Purposes of data collection describe all the purposes for which you use the data, example to personalize the user experience, to provide support, to serve ads, to improve the platform, to comply with legal obligations. Data sharing specify whether you share data with third parties, example advertisers, analytics providers, law enforcement, and, if so, who those third parties are and what data is shared. Data storage and security explain how you store and secure the data, example encryption, access controls. Data retention specify how long you retain the data. User rights clearly explain users' rights regarding their data, example access, correction, deletion, portability, objection to processing. Cookies and tracking technologies describe your use of cookies and other tracking technologies. Asterisk contact information. Asterisk provide contact information for privacy inquiries. Asterisk updates to the policy. Asterisk explain how you will notify users of changes to the policy. 3. Compliance with laws. Asterisk ensure that your privacy policy complies with all applicable data privacy laws, example GDPR, CCPA, COPPA. 4. Accessibility. Asterisk make the privacy policy easily accessible on your platform, example link to it from the homepage, account settings, and registration page. 5. Regular review and updates. Asterisk privacy policies should be reviewed and updated regularly to reflect changes in data practices, legal requirements, and industry best practices. Example privacy policy snippet, simplified. V. Implementing enforcement, code considerations, conceptual. The code is not the policy itself, but the mechanism for enforcing the policy. This is where your engineering team comes in. 1. Content moderation system. Asterisk reporting mechanism. Implement a system that allows users to easily report content that violates the community guidelines. Moderation queue. Create a queue for moderators to review reported content. Automated moderation. Use machine learning models to automatically detect and flag potentially violating content, example hate speech, spam. This is an area where you can use Python and libraries like TensorFlow or PyTorch to train models for content classification. Moderator tools. Provide moderators with tools to take action on violating content, example delete content, warn users, suspend accounts, ban users. 2. Account suspension / ban system. Flagging violations. Track user violations of the community guidelines. Automated actions. Automatically suspend or ban accounts that reach a certain threshold of violations. Appeals process. Provide users with a way to appeal account suspensions or bans. 3. Data privacy controls. Data access requests. Implement a system that allows users to request access to their personal data. Data correction requests. Implement a system that allows users to request corrections to their personal data. Data deletion requests. Implement a system that allows users to request the deletion of their personal data, subject to legal limitations. Consent management. Implement a system that allows users to manage their consent for data collection and use. Anonymization / pseudonymization. Implement techniques to anonymize or pseudonymize data when possible, to reduce the risk of identification. 4. Logging and auditing. Log all significant events. Log all user actions, moderator actions, and data privacy requests. This is crucial for accountability and auditing. Monitor system activity. Regularly monitor system logs for suspicious activity. 5. Security measures. Data encryption. Encrypt sensitive data both in transit and at rest. Access controls. Implement strict access controls to limit who can access user data. Regular security audits. Conduct regular security audits to identify and address vulnerabilities. 6. Important considerations. Legal counsel. Consult with legal counsel to ensure that your community guidelines and privacy policy comply with all applicable laws. This is critical. Localization. If your platform is available in multiple languages, translate your community guidelines and privacy policy into all relevant languages. Accessibility. Make your community guidelines and privacy policy accessible to users with disabilities. Regular updates. Review and update your community guidelines and privacy policy regularly to reflect changes in the platform, community, and legal landscape. Do not set it and forget it. Culture of compliance. Foster a culture of compliance within your organization. Train employees on the community guidelines and privacy policy, and ensure that they understand their responsibilities. 7. Disclaimer. This information is for educational purposes only and should not be considered legal advice. You should consult with an attorney to obtain legal advice specific to your situation. I hope this comprehensive guide helps you understand community guidelines and privacy policies. Good luck.